guys, this is Sitara. Today I'll be showing you how to style your hair using a hair dryer and get a perfect salon style hair at home. Start by applying a heat protectant to avoid damaging your hair. Next, section your hair into 4 parts, the front, 2 sides and the back. Pick one section and brush it out using a white toast comb. Then if you want curls in your hair, use a round brush. If you want straight hair, use a paddle brush. I'm going for a straight blow dry. So run the brush through your hair and start blow drying at a medium heat, starting at the roots and brush downwards gradually. Repeat a few times to ensure the hair is completely dry. You can now use the round brush and twirl your hair for soft curls or waves. And there you go, gorgeous blow dried hair.
Hi, I'm Anastasia. We do so much in a day, different places, different looks. But why should only clothes have all the fun? Today, I'm showing you 4 simple looks. From an easy to maintain blow-dry look to big voluminous curls, all in a few minutes, with a crimper, curler, straightener, and brush comb. Let's start with the crimper. Wash and dry your hair, apply some heat protection, and blow dry your hair. Grab a section of hair, gently clamp down and hold the crimper. Repeat the process for the rest of your hair. Overlap the crimper between hair sections to prevent any gaps in your waves. To finish up, just apply some styling spray to secure your hair in place. And that's not all. With a little more imagination, you can do wonders. The video. Thanks for watching. Havel's Grooming Essentials.